In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Rocket League to your Steam library if you want to launch Rocket League through Steam. Even though it was installed through the Epic Games launcher, the process is actually pretty simple. Adding it as a non-Steam game can make it easier to keep everything in one place, and it may also help if you want to use Steam features like controller settings or the Steam overlay. To get started, make sure Rocket League is already installed from the Epic Games launcher. This is important because Steam is not downloading the game here. It's only creating a shortcut to the version that already exists on your computer. So if you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and do that. First, before moving on, once Rocket League is installed, open Steam on your PC and wait for your library and menu bar to load completely. From the top of the Steam window, click on Games. This will open a drop-down menu with a few options related to adding titles to your account or library. From that menu, choose Add a non-Steam game. Steam will then open a new window showing a list of programs it detects on your system. In some cases, Rocket League may already appear in that list automatically. If it does, simply check the box next to Rocket League and then click Add selected programs. That's the fastest method. If Rocket League does not appear in the list, don't worry. In that same window, click Browse. This lets you manually locate the game's executable file on your computer. You'll need to navigate to the folder where Rocket League is installed. Once you reach the correct location, look for the file called Rocket League X, or the current executable file being used by your installation if the name is slightly different. After selecting that file, click Open. This sends you back to the Steam Add Program window. From there, click Add Selected Programs to finish adding Rocket League to your Steam library. At this point, Rocket League should now appear in your Steam library as a non-Steam game. You can launch it from there just like any other shortcut in Steam. If you want, you can also rename the shortcut later or customize its artwork inside Steam to make it look a little cleaner in your library. And that's all it takes to add Rocket League to Steam. Once it's in your library, you'll have a more convenient way to access it alongside the rest of your games.